Hi friends, I'm Hugo. Today, we'll learn our 5 senses. Let's go! We use our eyes to see. I see colors, shapes, and smiles. We use our ears to hear. I hear music, birds, and fun sounds.
We use our nose to smell. I smell flowers and yummy cookies.
We use our tongue to taste. Sweet, salty, sour, yum.
We use our hands to touch. Soft teddy bears and bumpy rocks.
Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, hands to touch. Where does all this rain come from? Let's find out together. Today we will talk about the life cycle of water. Let's go.
Look, when the sun shines, water turns into invisible steam and floats up, up, up. All that steam turns into clouds. It's like a big, fluffy water hug.
Uh-oh, when clouds get heavy, it's time to rain again! And now the rain fills up rivers, lakes, and even puddles for ducks to splash in. And guess what? It all starts again. The water cycle is nature's amazing loop. And guess what? It all starts again.
That's how the water life cycle works. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection.
Look at that roar! It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex, king of the dinos! Whoa, that T-Rex has teeth the size of bananas. But don't worry, he's a gentle giant today. Say hi to Brachiosaurus. It's so tall it could eat clouds. But today, it's having a treetop salad.
Woo! That's Velociraptor! Super fast, super smart, and I can't catch him!
Meet the Stegosaurus. Look at those plates. Stegosaurus is a walking jungle disco. Whoa! That's Ankylosaurus! Look at that tail, like a giant dino hammer! I better stand back.
3 Triceratops.
Triple the horns, triple the fun. And watch out, they love headbutt tag. Dinos weren't just cool, they knew how to groove. Let's have a dance party, prehistoric style. Dinos weren't just cool, they knew how to groove. Let's have a dance party, prehistoric style. That was Dynamite, friends. Thanks for exploring with me. Until next time, keep stomping and smiling.